Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm at the inauguration of the Zollner facility here in Costa Rica, and I'm joined by Gene Lindberg from Zollner. Gene, thanks for taking the time to chat. Great day here for Zollner, exciting day. A lot of people, when this was announced, were asking the question, why Costa Rica? So let me put that question to you. Why do you think Costa Rica was chosen over other Central American countries?
Well, you know, Zollner is a conservative company, and we looked very closely at the Central American, Latin American region, and felt that Costa Rica would be a very strong area for us to start and begin our operations. You have political stability, unlike the safest country in Latin America. There is a highly educated workforce available. There are other opportunities in terms of incentives by the community itself, supporting our operations and uptick. And we were quite pleased with the results that we found after about 2 years of research.
Yeah, so you did a proper evaluation. So once you'd selected Costa Rica, you had to find a park. I'm sure there were other parks. What was it like working with the organization that had put this park together, and how did that process work for you?
The process was lengthy because we originally spoke with several developers, and we chose Garnier because of their expertise in developing Zona Franca or free trade zone parks.
Okay.
So this was a greenfield, a double greenfield, with Zollner's facility anchor tenant as the founding of Zona Franca La Lima here in Cartago.
Okay.
But the organization of Garnier is top-notch, world-class, that you would find in most major countries in the world.
Yeah.
And we're very impressed at the outcome of the construction and meeting our schedules to go live.
Yeah, and meeting schedules is important because you're competing with places like China where factories go up really quickly, once there's a desire to get something done, it happens. That's really important. You mentioned the labor pool. The labor pool is super important. Manfred Zollner announced today the 6 scholarships. So there's already a two-way relationship there with academia. That's super important, yeah?
It's very important because one of the criteria that we looked at was the community, the sense of community, the same culture, to try to impart, even though the language is different, as founded in Bavaria. And we were very pleased with that because you have a conservative community, a dedicated, loyal workforce. They stay committed, unlike job hopping and other issues that create turmoil in a manufacturing operation. And we're very pleased because we also received the backing of the municipality as well as the government of Costa Rica to realize this initiative.
I mean, that government backing is really important, but that meeting of cultures is important. And several of the German staff have said to me that they felt there's a real meeting of minds with the Costa Ricans in terms of process, efficiency, the desire to produce quality, to be involved.
Yes. Interestingly enough, that I found out, the educational system is very similar to that in Germany. And we are near one of the most prominent universities here in Costa Rica, technological. So it's convenient. We expect to have synergy there, and that is the contribution that Manfred Zollner Sr. made in awarding the scholarships.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Well, Gene, thanks for chatting. Thanks for your time. Congratulations on the day here. The day's been a big success in itself, and I hope we can speak again soon. Thank you.
Philip. Thank you very much.